Whenever I make these, I imagine my mother standing right next to me. Tortillas de harina, flour tortillas. She taught me how to make them when I was just a little girl. Let's learn how to make them today. The ingredients for this recipe are listed in the notes, but you're gonna need some flour and some baking powder, salt, a little bit of olive oil, some very warm water, usually about 125 degrees. That's really important for making tortillas. And then here's the bacon fat. It's so good. As well as a rolling pin, a cutting board, and a bowl. And I wish that I was like my tia Trina and other members of my family that can make tortillas without actually using a bowl. They just do it on the counter. I have a video. I'll make sure I put the link in it so you can see how she does that. It was amazing. I can't do it. I just make a huge mess. So let's start it. This reminds me exactly of when I was that little girl with my hands in the dough. Felt like I was playing. So much fun. We've let the masa rest. Now we've turned it into our balls. We are ready to start rolling tortillas. I dipped it in a little bit of flour and got my cutting board here, my fancy rolling pin I love so much. Here we go. Dough is nice and soft. Those specks that you see are the little bit of the bacon fat. It's my mama's secret ingredient right there that gives them their really yummy flavor. When I was younger, she used to make them with lard, but as she got older, she realized they weren't the best for our health. And so she played around with different fats and settled on going to olive oil. It's got a little bit of a flavor that you can identify in the actual dough itself, but it's not bad. But she had to put in a little bit of that bacon fat because that's really what gives it the amazing flavor. Okay, there's our first tortilla. Here's our first tortilla. As you can see, it's not very round. I never mastered the round thing. tortillas de harina are all done, our flour tortillas. Not many of them around, actually none of them around, but oh my goodness, look at this. Can roll them up. Ooh. Put a little butter on them. And take a bite. Mmm. 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 That's my mama right here giving me a giant hug. Be well, everyone.